everything that you know about AI is already obsolete. For 3 years, we have been just chatting and chatting and chatting with our favorite tool. It can be ChatGPT, it can be Gemini, it can be Claude or whatever tool you are using. But that information is already obsolete. We prompt, it shares results. We prompt again, it fixes something. We prompt again, we just keep on doing that practice. But in 2026, that thing has changed entirely. Back then, it was the kind of unpaid intern who required constant babysitting, and it will not move a needle till you kick them or tell them what to have to do next. But in 2026, the game has entirely changed. We have entered the age of agents, AI agents. Yes, you heard that right. AI agents are autonomous tools that you just need to give them an outcome and they will do everything on their own, from processing, from thinking, everything they will do on their own. You just have to let them know about what outcome you are expecting. Maybe you were still trying to find that perfect prompt that give you results, but your competitors are already deploying autonomous agents that can do their tasks like this. Today, I will show you how you can just shut off that chatbot with which you were chatting and how to start building your own AI workforce team. So without wasting any time, let's get started. If you are new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button. I would be sharing a lot of informative content on AI and other aspects in the career with which you can grow and progress and bring rollers to yourself. From reactive to proactive. What is the biggest difference? The biggest difference is autonomy. A chatbot is reactive. It will not move till you kick it. It's similar to an unpaid intern which I mentioned earlier. Whereas an AI agent is proactive. In 2026, AI agents will help you do everything that you want. We have agentic workflows wherever you just need to define the high level goal, what you want, and they will do everything on their own. I'll just take a quick example. For example, you tell them, organize my trips from Bengaluru to, let's say, Singapore. So this AI agents will not only give you the list of hotels, but it will organize your trip, check your calendars, book flights for yourself, book hotels for yourself based on the budget constraints, whatever you provided with them. And then they will share all that information or the itinerary with your team and yourself. So this is how benefits this AI agents could be, and this will happen when you are asleep as well. So see the big difference when you were working with ChatGPTs, when you were working with chatbots or any other tools like Gemini, you have to always enter inputs and then wait for the prompt. But here you can simply put a command, the AI agents will keep on working, and once you are up, then your work would be done. Everything would be done. See how the magic has happened and how it has changed. Point number 2, computer use revolution. In 2025, AI was something like person trapped in a box. But now those things have changed. Tools like OpenAI operator and Google Jarvis can now literally see your screen and use mouse just like you use your hands to do the navigation onto the websites. So these are so much powerful tools that even the legacy websites they can use, even who don't have any APIs. So this changes everything. You are not only hiring a writer, but you are hiring yourself a user who can do everything on your behalf. So this is why AI agents are becoming very important, because in the upcoming months they are going to automate each and everything. All the mundane tasks would be eliminated. You just have to think how you can create or use those AI agents for your benefit or for your own company. Point number 3, the long-term memory. This is the real moat. What this means is, whenever you were talking with the chatbots earlier, they only knew one thing at one time. So whenever you were chatting and you had to start a new chat, they forget everything in the previous chat. But this has changed in 2026 now. Old chatbots had goldfish like memory. So this is a similar example that I had explained just now, that whenever you're opening a new chat, you have to explain everything and your whole story again. But AI agents use MCP, Model Context Protocol, which means you can enter any information, you can enter any chat, and they will remember everything that has been shared with them till date. So this becomes very useful because the more information you share with them, the more they will know you from depth. So let's say there is a problem that you want solution in the upcoming years. With all your personality, they are going to explain just as you think and how you take action. So this AI agent will help you understand and answer all those things, because the more information you put into them, the more they get the idea about you. So I think this would be very much helpful in running different businesses, in automating different tasks, because you are sharing your thinking with them and they're learning from it. Point number 4, the death of prompt engineering. Yeah, you heard that right. So prompt engineering is almost killed now. Why? Because there was a time when you were talking with chatbots and we wanted to be very much perfect in writing the prompts, because with that chatbot used to give us information whatever we wanted. But now that thing has entirely changed. Now AI agents expect intent, and that prompt has been replaced with the word of objective. So now you just need to be a problem framer, how well defined your problem is to the AI agent, and it will do everything on its own. If you are unable to define problems, then nobody in this world can help you, and not even your AI agents. So you have to become very smart on, not on the prompt engineering side, but on the problem framing side, because if you explain your problems clearly to AI agents, then boom, your work is done and you might build the next $1 billion industry in the world. Last, the final point, multi-agent swarms. So this is the big reason how solo entrepreneurs are running $1 million businesses. Right, one agent is doing something else, second agent is doing the research, third agent is deploying that work, fourth agent is sending out cold rich emails to the clients, and this is how there is a team of agents that is working. And this is a very good example how all the solo entrepreneurs businesses are earning millions of dollars in this era. This isn't a sci-fi movie, but this is really happening right now. Are you also thinking how you can do next? Then I will definitely share an upcoming video where I will define how you can do this kind of things. I'm also trying to build an AI agent that will easily help you automate tasks. I will share one idea in the description. You can go and check it out. If you read that, then like this video, because this would be the starting point for yourself. Even if you have not built anything, then this is the right time to start building. You can be the next solo entrepreneur who might be running the next $1 million business on your own. So if you're new to my channel, then click on the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon with the next video.